Hi, I'm Nikki from Ecl-ips. I'm going to introduce you to the Avigilon Unity dashboard. Just log in as you normally would, and then you can see the dashboard here with all of the cameras and the layouts down the left hand side. You can just drag your layout into the right hand side so you can see the cameras that you've already planned in. And here they just populate all the cameras and the views populate in this right hand bit here. You'll already see the blue boxes around the cars. That's the analytic cameras, actually denoting that they are cars. So then you can have a look at the top. There's various different options to choose different layouts. You can zoom in or zoom out of the screen. You can also have a look at the saving of view. Also allows you to zoom in on each of the cameras. So if you hold your cursor and scroll in or scroll up, you can actually zoom in on the camera and the object that you wanted to have a look at. And then alternatively, then you just scroll out and zoom out of that camera. You can also have a look at recorded and unrecorded. You have the option to choose the camera that you want to have a look at, any footage or images. And you also have the search options here, and there's various different search options on there. There are other videos to show you how to do those search options in more depth. You can also have a look at the timeline. So rather than actually choosing the time on the left hand side, you can scroll across the bottom timeline. If you need any other information, have a look at our YouTube channel for more videos and help. Thank you.